You want to go over to images, and now I'm going over to shapes, and I'm going to select the square, and I'm just going to resize it 15.7 by 23.7. This is the size of Dollar Tree's mat. And now I'm just rotating it. Then I'm just going to resize the Hello Summer sign, go to arrange and send it to the front. And I'm just resizing it so that it'll fit on the mat. Now I'm just duplicating the sign over. Now I'm just hiding that one, which you don't have to do, but I ended up doing that just because we're going to weld this sign together. And also I can have a reference, and then we're just going to go over to weld and select that. And now it's all one color. This is the vinyl that I'm using. And now I'm just weeding out the pieces that I don't need. And because I don't have any transfer tape, I'm using masking tape. Now I'm taking a lint roller and just getting all of the lint off of it. And then I'm going to place the image down. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.